Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're showing you how to find and share one of the most popular Instagram Add Yours templates this season, Summer is Calling. Over 2 million users have already joined in on this trend, and now it's your turn. If you want your summer story to stand out, stay with us until the end of the video to learn exactly how to create it. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your phone, then tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type Add Your Stickers. Open the profile with that username. On the profile, find the highlight called AYST50. Tap it and scroll through the stories until you find the Summer is Calling. It might take a bit of time to find it, so be patient. Once you see it, tap the Add Yours button to add it to your story. Now comes the fun part, adding a photo that reminds you of summer. Tap the gallery icon in the bottom left corner and select the picture you want to share. It could be the beach, ice cream, travel moments, friends, sunsets, whatever summer means to you. For an extra touch, you can add summer-themed emojis or play a popular summer song in the background. Be creative and enjoy sharing your summer vibe. This template is a great way to connect with others and show what summer means to you. Finally, share your story and enjoy the reactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, where's summer calling you this year? See you soon with more fun and trendy tutorials.